Hello friends. In this video, we'll be creating an options bot that takes overnight positions. That is, we'll be creating an algo for positional options. So in order to do that, firstly, we'll be logging into the SpeedBot account and navigating to our options bot builder. So over here, I've kept the name as positional options algo. The underlying symbol that we'll be using is of Nifty. And instead of intraday, we'll be selecting the option as positional. Let's say if I'm going long, that is I'm buying an ATM call option, and over here I'm able to see the positional settings. That is currently I'll be checking the conditions for the weekly expiry. So let's say over here the entry time for my bot is 9:20, and this 0 days means the day from the expiry, that is the days to expire. Let's say if I select the max option as 4 days, it means 4 days from the expiry. That is, let's say if my expiry is on Thursday for Nifty options contract, and if I have selected the entry time as 4 days, that means 4 days from Thursday. So it means that I'll be entering into a call option position on a Friday at 9:20. And same goes for the exit time. So over here, 0 days is by default selected. So it means that on the day of expiry, I'll be exiting the position at 3 o'clock. So I can also exit the position a day before the expiry, that is on Wednesday. So that's how I can create a positional options bot on the SpeedBot option bot builder. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next.